I've lost Angela. I don't know where she is. So Angela found so many cool things that she's gonna do a giveaway for y'all.
We have so many fun things.
Yay.
We have hammocks.
Yep.
Camping hammocks. We have fire starting kits. We have first aid kits and a stove.
Nice.
So lots of stuff to give away.
So we'll give details for how to enter to win at the end of the video. So hang in there. So what are we looking for today?
Camping gear as usual.
I had it in my mind that I would like to find a vintage Coleman lantern.
Oh,
like the pressure ones?
Yeah, the good one.
Have you ever used one of those, the ones that you pump it?
Yeah.
Are they quieter than the propane ones?
I don't remember because I would have used them so many years ago camping with family.
Because where I like the light, you get so much light from one of the propane lanterns.
Yeah.
But then you have to have that
I know.
the whole time.
I do feel like they're a little bit quieter, but it's still burning. So I think there's still some.
Yeah. I just don't want to turn into one of those guys that has like lanterns hanging on every beam of their garage. Angela, you know how I am.
I got the about 20 different kinds of lights. It's kind of like your problem with stoves.
It's not a problem.
It's not a problem.
It's not a problem.
Not a problem.
I enjoy it. You ready?
Let's do this.
It's so windy.
Very windy. We have that lovely wind-blown look. Okay. Let's go. It's aluminum, so it's very lightweight. Ooh. So cute.
Oh, look at that.
Long time. Oh, yeah, that's very nice.
Holy moly, that thing is heavy.
Tell they're the nice Dutch ovens when they have the really nice rim around the side of it.
Yeah, or you can stack.
This one does have a trivet with it. That's really nice.
Here's another alternative to the campsite bathroom, the chamber pot. These are cute, like to put over your camping table. Stack of
Travel
enamelware.
coffee kit.
Ooh,
Oh, it's a little tiny percolator pot. I don't think it's ever been used, actually.
I've lost Angela.
Not really.
I'm gonna put it.
I live in the city, so we have a very small yard. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, getting some delicious popcorn. Oh,
These
yeah.
are great. Yeah,
That's really
just to
nice.
keep like some hot water going on for like doing your dishes.
Look, it's a camp oven. Vintage.
Have you ever used one of those?
I've not used one of the old ones like this, but
Oh, that's right. You have a
great.
full-size oven. That's cool. And this is like, ooh, this is enamel too. That's so much nicer. Oh, and it doesn't fold down.
Elena, can you tell me what you just bought?
I bought an oven. I did not buy a stove. It's an oven.
Are you sure about that?
Yes, I am. And it doesn't matter because it's for work. Look, oh, this is so cool. This is exactly what I was looking for. Is this functional? Everything works on it? What can you do on it? 25?
Nice, you can see open up.
Okay, I'll do it. Let's do it. All right. Thank you very much.
It's cast iron heaven.
Yeah, I like to check and see how well it's been seasoned. This one's seasoned really nicely.
Yeah, that was nicely
sand
seasoned.
cast.
I definitely want to look for ones that are nicely seasoned,
Yeah.
not ones that are rusted. Though you can actually rescue these
Yeah.
too.
There are lots
But
of
just
videos
to
on
give
YouTube.
yourself a little less worry and work, choose one that's nicely seasoned.
So like these are cool for like your first aid kit,
Mm-hmm.
you know? Just make sure it's clearly marked so that people know if you're the one that's bleeding out, they can run into the camper and find it. That's cool. I'm hungry. Look, y'all, she has tons and tons of like camp stoves and stuff. Hi. What's your name?
My name is Lisa.
Lisa. Okay, right on. And
And
then,
then here's our business card.
right, there you go. Oh, if anybody is looking for bulk or just amazing prices on camping stuff.
Oh, okay.
And it tells you how to do all of that.
Well, how are you selling this for
crazy.
such like inexpensive prices?
Yeah, I swear we don't know her. This just happened to be that we came like, what a great price. It just sounds so propped,
Yes.
but no, it is a great
It
price.
is a great
And we are sincere and we don't know her. We're just saying
we just
out
met her.
of genuine.
I am trying to move products.
Oh, look at that. That's cool for the campsite. Like a multi-tool hammer
Wow.
axe. But
Yeah,
that's a
it's
good
really
reason
nice, actually.
to come to the flea market because there are a lot of people here who maybe have businesses
Okay,
or
I'm gonna
have
take
like
that one, too.
purchased
So-
overstock lots or something, and you never know you'll come across something like this. So, yeah.
Did you?
Oh, is that a full first
Yeah.
aid kit? Oh, you got to have a first aid kit with your camping.
No.
gear.
Well, I have one, but I like this one better.
I'm talking to the viewer, Angela.
Oh, sorry.
Wool blankets are always fabulous. They don't hold moisture in. You have a sleeping bag that maybe isn't rated for the temperatures you're in. Just layer up some wool blankets over it.
Look at my hair. Holy cow.
It's so windy today. All right, so what did you get?
I picked up a lot of fun, not needed camping gear, but fun camping gear, and a lot of it we're going to give away.
Yeah, yes, the giveaway is going to be really fun. We love doing giveaways.
They're fun,
They're
and let's
fun.
be honest, they build your channel.
Yeah.
We need you to comment and like this video so that we
It'd be
can.
great if they shared our channel with
Yes.
somebody. And then I got that vintage camp oven, no stove, and the vintage lantern. And then what else did I get? I got another camping thing. This thermos.
I picked out this thermos for you.
Audiobook. Yep. It's a good day. Good day at the hall.
The flea market.
Yeah. And as always, stay safe, stay wild.
And wonder often.